people ask me, Father, what do you mean by hope? Spes non confundit. Ang ibig sabihin po doon that hope does not keep a person helpless or hopeless. No. Hope is a beautiful word, especially sa ating mga Pilipino. May pag-asa. Kasi, when you have asa, pag-asa, meron kasing inaasahan. Now, in this world of ours, madalas ang ating inaasahan, sorry for the word, ayuda, something even material, no? To the point na sabi nga nila, we could even become kind of complacent. We don't anymore act because meron tayong inaasahan. No. Hope is a very active attitude in life. To be a hopeful person is, while may inaasahan ako, nevertheless, I must first possess a deep trust, a deep faith na yung aking inaasahan, non-confunded, mangyayari. Talagang mangyayari. And what does it mean? First and foremost, that hope was placed in our hearts by God. And as pilgrims of hope, that pilgrimage is because God placed this deep desire. We shall be with Him. We shall return to Him. We shall be finally at home. Yon po ang hope. Ayun po ating inaasahan. Tahanan. Tahanan. Home.